Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma on Tuesday batted for saving dress of Aarey colony. The Indian cricketer took to Twitter to slam cutting of trees in Mumbai's Aarey colony, in Mumbai city. Sharma wrote on Twitter, "Even if there is more to the story, nothing is worth cutting down something so vital. Part of Mumbai being slightly greener and slight difference in the temperature is mainly because of #Aarey colony. How can we take that away, not to mention thousands of animals will displace?" While some appreciated Sharma's response on Aarey issue, others started trolling him over the post. Some even said that even cricket bats are made up of trees. Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation wanted to cut 2,700 trees in Aarey colony to facilitate the construction of a car shed for Mumbai Metro project. However, many residents and environmentalists have opposed the cutting of trees. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has prohibited the cutting of more tree in the matter till next hearing on October 21.